Hello children, I welcome each one of you for the story time. The story which I am going to share with you all today is about Prophet Elijah and the widow. आज की जो हमारी कहानी है वो प्रॉफिट एलाइजा और एक विधवा औरत के बारे में है. We find the story in the book of 1 Kings chapter 17 verses 8 to 16. Prophet Elijah was a man of God. He was a messenger of God. Children, a prophet is a man who speaks to us on behalf of God. We call him a messenger of God. And Prophet Elijah was a man who loved God very much and trusted him. We find in the book of 1 Kings chapter 17 verse 8, the Lord commands Prophet Elijah to go to the town of Zarephath. And the Lord says to Prophet Elijah, I have directed a widow there to provide you meal. परमेश्वर प्रॉफिट एलाइजा से कहते हैं कि आप ज़रफ़त नामक एक टाउन में जाओ और वहां पर मैंने एक विधवा को आज्ञा दी है कि वो आपके लिए भोजन तैयार करेगी. Because there was no rain in the land for a long time. And children, when there is no rain, there is no food, there is no water, the rivers they dry up. जब बारिश नहीं होती है बच्चों तो रिवर्स जो होती हैं वो सारी ड्राई हो जाती हैं. And there is no food, there is no water. And then Prophet Elijah, he moves towards the town of Zarephath. और Prophet Elijah परमेश्वर की बात को सुनते हैं और वो Zarephath village की तरफ जाते हैं. When he was at the gate of the town of Zarephath, he finds a widow, a woman. She was gathering sticks. जब प्रॉफिट एलाइजा ज़रफ़त विलेज के गेट पर ही होते हैं, वो एक औरत को देखते हैं, एक विधवा औरत को, कि वो लकड़ियां इकट्ठी कर रही है. He asks the widow to please give him some water to drink. वो उस औरत से कहते हैं कि क्या आप मुझे पानी पिला सकती हैं. And when she was about to get some water for him, जैसे ही वो पानी लेने के लिए जाती है, Prophet Elijah asks her to get a loaf of bread for him. वो उसे कहते हैं कि तुम मेरे लिए एक रोटी भी लेकर आओ. We find this in the picture. Prophet Elijah speaks to the widow, a woman. While she was gathering sticks, he asks for some water to drink and a loaf of bread. The woman, the widow, she replies, I don't have any bread. मेरे पास कोई रोटी नहीं है. I just have a handful of flour in my jar and some oil in my jug. वो कहती है कि मेरे पास रोटी नहीं है, मेरे पास तो सिर्फ मुट्ठी भर आटा है और थोड़ा सा तेल है. I'm gathering sticks so that I can go home and prepare a meal for myself and my son so that we may eat it and die. वो कहती है कि मेरे घर में सिर्फ मुट्ठी भर आटा है और थोड़ा सा तेल है मेरे जग में, और उससे मैं लकड़ियां इकट्ठी कर रही हूँ और घर जाकर अपने लिए और अपने बेटे के लिए भोजन बनाऊंगी और हम उसको खाएंगे और फिर मर जाएंगे. Prophet Elijah says to the woman, don't be afraid. वो कहते हैं कि तुम चिंता मत करो. Go home and do as you have said. जैसे आपने कहा है अब घर जाकर वैसा ही करना. But before that, prepare a bread for me. पहले तुम मेरे लिए रोटी बनाओ. As the Lord says that the jar of flour will never be used up and the oil in your jug will never be empty. वो कहते हैं कि आपके जो जार में आटा है वो कभी खत्म नहीं होगा, और आपके जो जग में तेल है वो भी कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. This is what the Lord says. And she believed the words of the Lord that came to her through prophet Elijah. वो उन वचनों को जो परमेश्वर से आते हैं थ्रू प्रॉफिट एलाइजा, उन पर विश्वास करती है, और वो एलाइजा, प्रॉफिट एलाइजा के लिए ब्रेड तैयार करती है. शी प्रिपेयर्स ब्रेड फॉर प्रॉफिट एलाइजा. And then a miracle happens, children. Miraculously, there was some flour left in her jar, and there was still some oil in her jug. And from that day onwards, children, until the day it rained in that land, there was always oil in her jug, and there was always flour in her jar. In the time when there was no rain, there was no food, God took care of Prophet Elijah. He took care of the widow and her son. He provided their meal every day. Children, our God is a God who keeps his promises, who always takes care of his people. He always takes care of the people who loves him. And we find a beautiful promise in the Bible in the book of Philippians chapter 4 verse 19. We find a beautiful promise of the Lord. It says, "My God shall supply all your needs." My God shall supply all your needs. Philippians 4:19. As he took care of Elijah, as he took care of the widow, children, God will take care of each one of you. He loves you all, and he will always keep his promises. Thank you all. God bless you.